Hello, everyone. Welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show and tell you how to convert iPhone photos to JPEG format. Please subscribe to the channel, put likes, share this video with your friends. Let's get started. To do this, we need to go to the gallery on our iPhone or iPad, and then select some photos. Let's say I choose these 4. Then in the bottom right corner, we're gonna click on the 3 dots. And then you click Copy. And then Exit. Open the files. Here we have iCloud Drive. On my iPhone. Delete. Click on my iPhone. In the upper right corner, click on the 3 bars. Click on Create Folder. Here we can sign it. Go into that folder. And then we'll click here. And then we need to take. We paste it here, and it says paste and click on it. All of these pictures have moved. Now, when we click on this photo, let's say, click on the top, there is a JPEG file. We also look at another photo and click here, and it says JPEG. That is this way you can convert any photo on the iPhone in JPG format. If you liked and helped this video, you can put a like, subscribe to the channel. Thank you all for watching. Goodbye.